enti maka kira mo se we kue no ye de Hopeson Adorye e na etwa e bi se ono ankasa ene de no haba tre se me na metim ba bi o ana Hopeson na be take forms so Hopeson okay mate ko ye head and fa obi an share week ni mo enti Hopeson mate ma sense e be book you se se abulu ka se so panyi Kumchacha o dana be to be fune mo Kumchacha abeka bi o se Kumchacha obi na nka on town and defend MPP for no but when ku ade o le Hopeson Adorye di nsem hu no di Kumchacha abeka kana adwen actually Hopeson Adorye me mo nchire mo no akire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section ayi Penyah block media me so say ni dey mo obe like video no that my subscribe button so na back click the notification icon for the latest updates and better wa adwen ama me e wo comment section me so bass for no wa share for so enya bi ahwe etenya ni made a see ye kantanka the 40 days celebration no yenim de see ho no mo Hopeson Adorye e kwa asie bi e ma Samira Bawumia eni ne kun e ba ho no mo e ho no na ka Hopeson e ko pebo no nanka Hopeson ekope Samira Bawumia ensem moto no mremrem okope achia ema Samira Bawumia ma na great showdown na that showdown no ana anya Hopeson Adorye de ene okotena my CTV GH TV ne so ene okọ kwai eko chere semu ana udi wey ebe first lady Eddie and a whole sort of uselessness and some nai prekese ana Hopeson ko kan ho no and some nai just a be more pema to kwasini Hopeson there I feel maybe about be wo no what I say the first house for Hopeson e ko kan no ana we say Kumchacha wa hwe asem ni din no se there be Hopeson different Hopeson jado na yidi Hopeson Kumchacha just there be Hopeson different I do you pa there Hopeson udi for e kan wanu tu gra
Nyame Shraw, Medin Eden, Flight Lieutenant, Prophet Kumchacha. Sa video ya me ya ma minu ya Hopeson Adorye. Ena se video me ye, Eden amano. It would to me share video ya. Na wo de ma wo bia, Nyame Shraw. Eden tina me ye se video ya ma Hopeson Adorye. MC ya mu trending issues bi a ekoso ewo media no so wo bra menua Hopeson eko apostle kantanka yi a wo du wa o kochia ye vice president Bawumia ne yele a ma me ne dani nani eye said ye wo hwe buku mu a no mpeso obechia no na me flight lieutenant prophet Kumchacha me no kore da baby am de to ma me no wa yade me bom nsama ma no wayade papa ya wayade a ebi American wonti ase ne say on say Bawumia oye politician ana Hopeson Adorye a politician it is a Hopeson Adorye eko TV eko radio ni social media na waka bibia fa Bawumia ho Bawumia ni program politics Bawumia ni program politics. It won't say Hopeson Ekochia Bawumia and a vice president Bawumia S1 and some no chiano and a no needing come up besides and what you're saying. But na yele dear Hopeson, na yele your politician, na yele no on your politician. It is a whoop ponche Bawumia. That what ponche no our politics side. Now we in the yele from because na yele and your beer or your politician. And the BM I saw be a uni Hopeson ewo program. Now uni wo program or politics and now uni wo program. Now what diverting? Now we did the gift atom. So we did the gift atom one. That is a who any pan uni munyansa bako. If you say, Hopeson ne be a one no ewo program. Ewo politics and will be BM one. Gifty on your politician. Autonomous. It won't to me fan so. It my mena dia wa ye papa vice president Bawumia yele. Adia wa ye no. Edi chle Hopeson no die. Wayade. Miss of Kumchacha me nyinya chom. Wayade. Quotation bi wo 2 John 1:10. Ya wo John 1 kasa. And ya wo 1 John. And ya wo 2 John. 2 John 1:10 say. Obi a wo nyi wunie. Na we ye nya atwom no Bible say ufie memfa ne nkɔ hɔ ana wunhu ni nso a menchia no wunhu na menchia no 2 John 1:10
obi manem to ye papa Hopeson Adorye ese it's time he need to respect obi yere. It's time so okase obi wife ho a until it break kakra, because at the rate ono baby nya at the rate ono baby nya the way opese nja no na one day oba ne top no is too bad. She how I see a day Bawumia wife akosi TV so a bash no Bawumia wife nso ugina nim busa na say etisen yo ma no wosu ti tia no wan tia won sem nti wo asem bi ka kire na nka ho na yesa wo ye o me masem na ugina nim ka kire no de ugina TV so ka kire no oyo bi yire oda be ma achi se de wo yire da wachi no so say yempese e be di yire matama yeso enfa respect ema manfo yire wate na nyese kwatena TV so a ne kasa just like that because of say be and pano wa mount some kind of attitude be a wampe but now je nipa nanim na ka beti ma ka kire no ofa ade na wan ka kire no ene ye ne
Kumchacha munina mejidi so bia ho right. Don't forget it is possible and it's forever remain possible. Bisha ya hu video yi. Na me hu se afoforo obi a kire na dream video yi ho. If me hu video na I smile na me say ntina ma mi me don no ntina ma mi me admire no from afar. Ntina me pe just Samira Bawumia asem. You see how this woman reacted maturely. Okase o eye se wo so ho ye, but o ma wo hu say ono wint me nya problems, but they would ye no e de ye wo nua ba e be ye wo de. This what I just Samira Bawumia ne reactions ne na wo ye true Hopeson Adorye ni na true. Now me who say some people are sharing ideas on it, some people are saying a whole lot about hey, you people shouldn't be hypocrites. The least opportunity Hopeson Adorye be no attack just Samira Bawumia. Yeah, but how crap I had just Samira Bawumia and that ballot paper be so why are you attacking her? Hopeson Adorye to me can catch her say, obey to match her just Samira Bawumia and Penyah. Yet a Ghana hey answer, ne you give to us say. In fact, yeah, you weigh 30s name na fini ko any name give to us say. And no crime it's makasa ya ne pen nyomo any name give to us say. The 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 no crano. In fact, UTV in favor where you are managing that kind of publicity na na make a celebrity life no. And some people don't know her. Or no cry a cassette na you were Hopeson Adorye to me be po it was social media. Na had just Samira Bawumia. Me back my little daughter was just 3 years. That was when she started admiring Hajia. No crampo no. Hopeson to me ye did to me so life ye did say ye cassette na yiri. Na Hajia moja ni mu. After everything, we all have our personal lives that we live. And I keep telling people, say, hey, nipadindi for I for instance, obi umi ana Hajia won pekasa na me know so. Don't nim na be drew me so. Na me kase me fiwa. Ye be why me why. That is how it is. And Hajia Samira Bawumia did her part. Abba. And to you, those that are here judging Hajia Samira Bawumia, you people shouldn't be hypocrite. The woman stands for us. Haba, has politics got into that party? Say, Hopeson to me, phone sin the name. It did Hajia Samira Bawumia dinner term. It me chess when you mean Penyah Abrawa. Now we chantro, it will be mammy, will be here. In fact, a lot of Ghanaian young girls look up to Hajia Samira Bawumia. Now you people are here judging the woman. What did she do? She responded, but on pen once. On finding some two Hopeson in some natural Hopeson in the conscience and a channel can in 70 say she won't do that. And the Hopeson will what it will be or but now for her friend Paconum would bid. What she had Jerry and Ray, will bet me a trick camera begin my nothing. We have that people. So also so no. Into you ladies now more yes and hey, Munjam hypocrisy. You people should stop it. The same care Hopeson Adorye yiri gift Adorye and can't obey yeno. Na who Kevin tell I obey Kebi. wo yire wo ye broni aga na akra ye nnimu no woni abusua bia wa ha ye di na tam otwi mu kra wante kra no Ghana for di na tam awtwe camera si wanim masa go and sit down with your hypocrisy and let us think. In fact, we really admire the woman Samira Bawumia, what she did, and I'm dedicating Proverbs 13 woman and I dedicate that to her. In fact, she's a woman of substance, a virtuous woman. Hey, me so baby and tia Hopeson Adorye shoes or form send the camera in you. And I'm what Hannah more JJ. She or Jan or so one just so, but means me no in Adam for that is all. I say, don't forget it's possible and it's very, very impossible. Mama bye.
Hopeson Adorye, when you know Hopeson Adorye, Papa Crano. Once when you like a real say, Chan Hokoba, a Chan Hokoba. Once a what's na radio station, TV station, baby, any radio station, baby, a deep area Bawumia and a year, Samira Tem. O come. Asem poto che wo mo tem de die fon a di che wo no on sa fa ko she wo physical want me anya nkosa nkwasa na wo ye no radio station no on sa ko she wo physical no won munya makita Bawumia na yiro nti no on sa de ni di a cha wo mo no sa na tie o ti TV station aka nsem bia emfata e che nipa ba ko hu no on sa ni munyam wo na nim ti no on na yiro kwa hwe Samira Bawumia hwa ho ofe oba ho ofe oba kokko bi odeto won so wan chia okrampo wan chia opon de tama di nyina bi won so wa mi na no anka hwe ba to kocha no wan chia odi ti na age so won hu se won hu o so na ti radio station na o ka de ye o de na wudi atem aga da to si usu na nsen no na homete won so na homete uko hu ewura Bawumia na ye Samira Bawumia se won hu on se won ti me afide o de respect o chia no koto yes Ntenta TV station keka di atam ne yomo mu buo mo ho pa won se odi o matama medi ubi won se mu di odi o matama mo medi ubi wo ye pani mu bia mu ho kra aya bu ho ate
abusiafo ma ho video ya da suru hai ya papa kantanka ayiya 40 days a omo observe ena Hopeson Adorye eko pie mu ho no wacha president ye former vice president kama obeseki ne yere nsan ne yere anye so wase eno no hadadwen ma no because wa kwa kan asem atia haja Samira Bawumia nti wa ka asem ya atia nipa wi na wo kwasia na wo fi se o mechia wonye wo so wase wo hoti sen normal se won pe no a ne wo pe bia no kokoye wa kwatra TV so na ofiri Niger na wa betena Ghana na ofiri Mali kwanu kono yire no firi ina obetena Ghana ha obeye first lady wo ti ho no wo yire a wo ti ho ne a wo se wo ye Ghana ni na wo ye Ghana ni no mo so fa so na ye den ma Ghana Samira Bawumia ni kunu ebe tana ebe di Ghana vice president ya di sun faso anye den ya di ni sun faso be wo no aya na den na ya ha ni pepinu hwe wanyini wabayise nyina ye fita won respect bibia na wabayise no won respect se won respect wo ho a abayise na afunu fi se eden wanyini no yesi se wo be ho abayise fita anase nwi fita wo ho a eya nimunyam kese wo kɔ wo grave nti honom no ewo enisenka nipa kasatia okra but wo de wabayise fita ebe kwakɔ ye no ma bia ma obi akwakɔ kasatia abara nye ne pe wana wo Samira Bawumia wa obi yire wo obi na akọ kan wo yire asem ena wo de kwakọ taki Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia akwakọ bo na yire din wo ka se wo yire onye on contest bibia no Samira Bawumia ono so contest position bia na wanya adaje akwakọ didi maami na atem akọ hia na yi ase o chia o de na no chia wo se boy wan so wonsa no obi na ka se ma no so wonsa nipa ben kasa nipa kro kire Ufika say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia okot na bas mo ne mafo yire na da eno nya atem didie won say Bawumia de on few wa ko chia wa asira kire o kama wona onya me nanim ndi se upenimu we ekokot na afidie so social media so keka ne open sama hia na woka dia na opese yen fanyo de Samira Bawumia eye no eye normal eye koko e na ojama me se sen ke me kura nka me chia ompo because e hu hie se me chia hwe up where was no ho enkwala woso empinifo woso nti wo paso a e wo se wo pu hu wo dia nidie e ma wo ho minimi se sebi se na wo nkwala a omunim nyansa omunyini no sa na e wo nkwala a omagimi a omuso nyini nti omunyini ko nyina no nyansa fo no nyini no na se bagimi fo no so nyini sa wo kote se obi adi wo yira tama ene nipa kro no enko dili what is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia di wo yira tem wa kote se Samira Bawumia adi wo yira tem nso ba ye no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Samira Bawumia enna Samia wuku na wotaki wo mo enne wa kwakwase na yi ase o chia wa ye den o yo biire on so nsa nipa ope no ena obeso nsa
isi Hopeson Adorye no o je din free e fensen Bawumia yele ho Hopeson Adorye ase Hopeson Adorye o je din free Bawumia yele ho ani dede wo si yesi wo chia na wakaji edro obeni nti wo chia na wakaji edro obeni nti wo chia na be den ono wo so wan chia wo efi se oba wo to no ho di na tem wo to oba no ho di na tem nu wo hu abonte o ma chia wo for den nu se muhunu na akeka no radio so no ene ne de Musa igbefuo we na mugu igbefuo ni mu ase sa mu Hopeson Adorye no nkro no ba mu nkrofo na sinsam nkrofo da ahon mu nkrofo na fimfam nkrofo da ahon fimfam nkrofo da ahon fiti anopato enwumre wonye carpenter we mason wonye tiler we POP man anu wonwere ho mu free voter region ho enyu voter region bibie ni ho yenyina ho ni ifre bibie ni ho nso kasa no abegina internet so na gbegbegbegbegbe mutumi mu am nkrofo ne tokwa nhunu na moko tokwa paso bie ni so na moko na Bawumia yira anchia no na sesese wo chia no anchia no ma me no ntiase wo kone baby wodi anya bosom na egu yi ekuro no bosom ayemu ma no voter region bosom nya emu ma ade papa be na mo de ba ye over de papa bi man crofo ni ade no ye si ye fense market akase man crofo no ye si bi amam MPs ya good voter region the whole voter region MPP ni ba ko kura ni NDC fo nko a nso wo munye hwe wo ho wo hwe nwa asam nka ne nsem hunu na odi ni internet iso papa panyi na obi akwachia mama wa nchia me na manchia no na de ntu akwaji edru obeni a so no otimi akwaji edru ni bi obeni so aji edru ni bi obeni wo nso odi na wo ye busum nsi wo dem busum nsi wo dem mo solia sa venze kunkum na mekun na meyese tukpe na to 20 wonwene kakrara po se mo nkrofo bra na ye ble mo be ya na nkrofo na ye se o me yenyi atwede e wo da no ho mo yi atwede na ma hu ba bia ba furu akọ penti obi da ana akọ carpenter mo nwene no ho ya de bia ntokwa hunu man tokwa na de akọ bema pa na man bi nso nya daje wale mmemme ni bi die nya daje wale mmemme ni bi nye friends hein mmemme na abafoa wa gwale wo ba ni na ye wedding na wotu wo na nsem hunu saa papa panyin kan nsem hunu saa adan we ni pa ben so wo nim say wo dwen igbefuo no ho a ko igbe mam na kwa ya de papa bi wo na janto kwa hunu na akọ no o pre MP o ko pre ni wo Accra na akopre o we pe tema won no say na akopre MP otu wana go ma ni Penyah so
Trena one training za no asikyerɛ wɔ hɔ
kyerɛ baseɛ
asikyerɛ ni sɛ ya ka kyerɛ ni sɛ ma ni hyɛm baabi ankyia mi nsɛm da
wan na ka kyerɛ Samira
ɔno onim nipa ɔde ni free bani ba ya ɔka asɛm ni kyerɛ no
ya masa obua masa giant trono me I was thinking what happened to you hopeless yesterday. I was thinking you will learn something that as a man it is not good to be insulting women, because it's clear everybody knows that you Hopeless Adorye, anytime you get an opportunity on national television, you insult her just Samira Bawumia. Then after insulting her on national television, you met her in person yesterday. You bowed down, you were trying to shake hands with her, and she refused. This one too, the next morning, because you believe Ghanaians, we cannot think properly or what, you are coming to sit on the television again to tell us that she knows why. Somebody told, what sort of concept is this? Massa, it's high time you learn that as a man, it is no good to be insulting women. There's nothing. It's because you have been insulting her. That is why she also said she will not shake hands with you. In fact, she has even been polite to you by even nodding her to your greetings. You get it? So you should learn something from it.
Well, eti eno eye Hopeson Adorye eno no. Ose Samira anchi. Ana me hu se nkrofo bebre na kasa di tia Samira Bawumia over this particular thing you see here. But abusunya se oyo obi a wo kasa tia Samira Bawumia na it means, especially so oyo lady, it means that you have no respect for your husband. It means you have no respect for your husband. Because Samira, to me, at that particular point, that particular time, I should big respect to the husband, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Because Samira, I cannot sit and watch you disrespect my husband, insult my husband on TV, on radio. Now, about to me, a year over 10 months, it's not going to happen. See, aside the politics and everything that we are doing, people have their own lives that they are living. People have their own family. We should understand that point. Aside the politics and everything, people have their lives and they have their family. It is a na umfa Bawumia nyehia de oda na chi ya Samira de odini baby. I said it over time that the kind of insult attacks on the man is not fair. And I've heard a lot of people saying that new group president wasn't Kochian any hade. This is somebody who is being real. If I am Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and a Samira Tinin at the chair Hopeson Adorye, I'll have issues with her. Forget the fact that Bawumia Mumudia will chair Hopeson, because Bawumia is the prize, not Samira Bawumia. Bawumia is the prize, not his wife. Bawumia nepe president Samira nepe. Bawumia nya ene bika Samira. Samira no ongo jina kensi bi ase Ghana for an MPP for and to abam famane me flag bearer. It is not anywhere. So the people saying that Samira nya de no, if you are a lady na okebia, it means you don't respect your husband, you don't respect your boyfriend. If you are a man na okebia, you should keep quiet, you should shut up when your woman disrespects you in any way. Because the biggest form of disrespect be say oba anete wo hu be ma ana obi fofora o kasa dia di watem all the time na oba ne betene ne nsa to ne nsa. Do you know what that means? Forget about politics and all of that. Yeah, mama yenka no krenchire ye ho. Mama yenka no krenchire ye ho, yenka no krenchire manfo no. What Samira did, nothing wrong. And I even feel that Hopeson Adorye is talking too much. Hopeson or kasa too much. Okoto obi ayi ase enye nhye so obechia. Wanchia wa, that is it. It ends there. Because who Hopeson obi ntimi me di watem. E me di wo yiratem. Agrada di wo yire ne wo ade atema ne ade a mo di agrada go pie mo court, because you felt like she is disrespecting you and your family. The same way Samira feels like you have disrespected her husband. And on nothing and fun and son too and say to accept the fact that what he did in husband was a child. It's not going to happen. And in a moment, my nye Bawumia na ne ho ye manfo na hinti no de free ne nkyɛn ba bia ye manfo na hi. But the truth of the matter is what Samira Bawumia did, nothing wrong about that. Let us accept that.
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Ha yi Penyah Block Media.